How to use calendar view in Flow app. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. To effectively use the calendar view in Flow, you want to focus on logging your period start dates and any symptoms or events. So you want to open up Flow, right? To begin with, you can set in your period dates. So tap on the calendar icon at the top right, tap on edit period dates, and then you can proceed to edit it. For example, here I will set this as a period date on this application here and save it. And now here you can log in your period as well, you can see, and you can also log in your mood, how you're feeling here by tapping on the plus icon, the categories, moods and symptoms. You can then easily navigate through the calendar to view your predicted period days, fertile window and ovulation day, all color coded for clarity. You can also customize symptom tracking and add past cycle data for more accurate predictions as well. So this is how you can effectively use the calendar view on Flow. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.